Alright guys, so for this Angry Naturalista, you see there is a change of scenery because it is almost like 0 degrees outside in New York and it's too cold to be out there in the woods. So stay tuned so you find out the rules to essential oils so you don't burn. I'm coming to you guys because there's been a lot of people that are, incorporating essential oils into their lifestyle, whether it's in the form of, aromatherapy, whether it's in the form of, taking it internally to combat certain things. And that is all cool. That's great. And you know me, I'm about that life. So, I really like to encourage these habits as well. However, it's encouraging them, but also giving people the right information to actually not hurt themselves. So I'm going to start off by inserting a picture here. This woman, unfortunately, was not aware that you were not supposed to wear essential oils in like a tanning bed and such, and as a result suffered those burns. And I personally, and a lot of times I do these Angry Naturalistas is because I was that person. So I'm going to tell you, I was that person too. I have burned myself, like almost 2nd degree burned myself using essential oils without the proper knowledge. And I'm here to tell you guys that it is so important. Like, it's dang near like life-saving to have this information. So anywho, let's go. These are some brands that I personally use, and again, I'm also not going to come to you guys with things that I don't use myself. So this one is Eden's Garden, which I find has a really good process about their stuff. Or Cacia, you can find them in like Whole Foods, Vitamin Shop. If you have the chain Wild by Nature by you, they have them there. Also in this one, which is the most famous essential oil of them all, is the DoTerra oil. So I use any one of these 3 on a almost daily basis. And pretty much whenever I use them, I'm always mindful of one, where I'm using them and what I'm actually going to be doing. So let's just say if it's like the middle of winter and I'm fully clothed, I'm gonna be not less cautious, but I'm gonna be like, hey, maybe I can get away with wearing this outside during the day because my skin's gonna be covered. I'm not going to say that the sun doesn't have harmful effects in the wintertime, because the sun can still have harmful effects in the wintertime. However, if you're covered up, you can get away with wearing it on your skin during the day in light. Yeah. However, like summertime, don't do it to yourself. That can be very bad for your skin and you could have what you just saw. So we don't want that. Yes, so especially with the oil like rosemary, like your rosemary's, your basils, your red thyme, that's actually the one that I burn myself with. And yeah, don't do that. Don't apply it undiluted like I did and burn yourself. So yes, in my earlier days of experimenting with oils, I thought it'd be cute to put undiluted red thyme on like a bite, and yeah, it wasn't pretty. I'm pretty sure I still have that scar. Carrot oil is pretty much what it does is that it helps the essential oil from one, evaporating, because here's the thing, and this also is a measure of a good pure essential oil, unblended essential oil, they evaporate. That's especially why it's important to have your oils in dark jars, because sunlight will cause them to lose their effects. So these brands did their due diligence. They weren't trying to be cute. They were like, we're giving you brown bottles because we know how these things work. And I appreciate brands that actually know how to package correctly. So yes, so carrier oils, you need to use those in order to help dilute and also help keep the oil from evaporating. One, saves your life, saves you from burns, and two, saves your money. Because if you keep putting this on undiluted, besides risking the chance of getting burned, you're also probably going to lose money because of the fact it is evaporating so quickly off your skin. You're not really getting either, you know, if you're wearing it to smell good, you're probably not getting the effects as long as you should. And I'm actually going to put a resource below to help you understand how to dilute them, that I found useful. And so you'll know how much to dilute and you'll still be able to have the effects of that particular essential oil. So something like lavender, I've seen people have success with. There we go. Have success with in terms of, you know, being undiluted. However, people with especially fairer skin need to be careful of using undiluted oils. It's been shown that with those skin types, they tend to burn quicker. And so, you know, the sensitivity may be increased in those skin types. There is so much to gain through using these, but without the information, like, you end up burnt up. And I don't want to see anybody out here getting burnt up anymore. It's not a fun feeling. It's not cute. And we need to leave that in 2017. So yeah, I hope these tips were useful. And, you know, if there's any more questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up, like this video if you found anything helpful, and also subscribe. Click that bell for notifications on the latest and greatest of our videos. And yeah, thank you guys for all your support, all your love, and thanks for watching. Also, get a sneak peek of the products we will be offering this year come March on our website,